Welcome. In today's tutorial, we're diving into the step-by-step process of showing your highlight QR code on Instagram. This feature is a fantastic way to share your story highlights with others effortlessly. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account so you can access all your features seamlessly. Next, click on your profile photo located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This action will take you directly to your profile page, where you can see all your posts, followers, and highlights. Once you're on your profile, look under your bio for the highlight section. Here, you'll find all the story highlights you've created. Choose the highlight that you want to share as a QR code. Now, it's time to click and hold on the highlight. A menu will pop up with several options related to that highlight. This is where the magic happens. From the menu that appears, select Show QR Code. This will generate a unique QR code specifically for that highlight. You can customize its appearance by changing colors or designs if you wish. After you've generated your QR code, you can easily share it with others. If you'd like to save this QR code for later use, or to share it through other platforms, simply tap on the Save option that appears after showing the QR code. By following these simple steps, you can effectively showcase your Instagram highlights in a new and engaging way. Sharing your QR code allows friends and followers to scan it and view your selected stories instantly. That's all for today. Now you know how to show your highlight QR code on Instagram. Enjoy sharing your highlights with everyone around you.